everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have strawberry cards for you today. So for these cards, I'm going to use Technique Tuesday Berry Basket die set, and then I will also be using the Sentiment from Impression Obsession Farm Fresh stamp set. These cards that I made is our June card swap in my Instagram group. We have card sketch for this swap, and it was the MFT WSC 31 card sketch. The paper pad I will be using is this authentic cheerful 6x6 paper pad. My friend Cheryl gifted me this a few years ago, and I love this paper pad because of the beautiful designs. I will also use this Tim Holtz distressed cardstock for die cutting my strawberry and basket. Here I'm detaching the papers or cardstock, and I'm choosing some colors to kind of go along with the pattern papers. And now we can die cut our baskets and strawberries. Well, the strawberries I die cut that off camera because I forgot to turn on my camera, and but here I'm using my Sidekick for die cutting this strawberry basket, and I love my Sidekick for quick die cutting and I don't have to use my big machine. After I die cut all the baskets that I need for my cards, I will distress the edges with vintage photo distress ink to accentuate the 3D look of the baskets. And then I'm going to assemble them using liquid glue. After the assembling part is done, this is the fun part for me, adding the strawberries in the baskets. So I will tuck them in the basket and add like I think I added six of the strawberries, 6 or 7 strawberries in the basket. I already went ahead and cut all the papers that I need for my cards. This cardstock here are cut to 1 1/4 by 5.5 inches. I also have my pattern papers cut to 1 3/4 by 2 7/8 inches. And I also have my side folding card bases, and I use the ivory cardstock from Hobby Lobby. I will also use 2 designs of ribbons from my stash. And now let's go ahead and assemble everything together. I have all the pieces ready, so all I need to do is adhere them on my card bases. Some of my strawberry baskets I adhere them on the left side, and some of them I adhere them on the other side, right side. For the sentiment, I'm just going to stamp this sentiment that says, "You're very, very special" with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And stamp that in the lower part, lower blank space of the card front. I will also stamp "Have a happy day" in the inside of the card, and I will add one of the strawberry and then add my strip. And these strips are just scraps from cutting my papers, so instead of throwing them, I'll just add them in the inside of the card. I will also add small strips of scraps on the back of the cards and stamp my created by Sintang Mayumi self-inking stamp. And here are my super cute strawberry cards. My friends really love how these cards turned out. If you want to see all the cards we created for the swap, go to Instagram and type in hashtag Pinay Paper Crafters or hashtag Pinay Card Makers. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.